Using graduated colours can be very effective when you're making a quilt. In this quilt here, it is very simple, just simple squares sewn together, but look how effective it looks because of the colour of the fabric. Now, in order to get graduated colours, there are a couple of ways that you can do it. I love purple, so this was my first piece that went in the bag. I took that out after an hour, and this was my second piece. Can you see how much more blue it is? I took that out after another hour, and this was my third piece. And this one is done in a slightly different way. What I did was I just twisted a piece of fabric until it twisted up on itself. So very, very simple, but does create a beautiful pattern.